Hello, my name is Christos Tsomakas. I come from Greece. I work for the regional administration of Western Greece region, especially the Regional Development Fund. We are partners in the SWAM project, and I'm very happy to be here in Murcia, in the Salon del Agua, as partners of SWAM project. We are here together with some colleagues from the municipal enterprise for water supply and sewage in Patras. They are very interested in the technologies that will be presented from the local enterprises, and the SWAM project has given us a big opportunity to cooperate with other countries like Murcia and Israel in water technologies and develop our water sector, especially the cluster that is newly established in Western Greece region among the research institutes, the regional authority and some enterprises. The SWAM project has given us the opportunity to meet other people and concentrate on a joint action plan, which actually has already started to be implemented, and we are very excited about this day's event. And I would like to thank also the Commission for the opportunity that gave us for this kind of cooperation. Thank you very much.